Welcome to today's little video on the ERP software suite. Today I'm going to focus on the sales module and how it's fully integrated within the package. Now again, as always, if you haven't already watched the main video on how all the modules are included within the package, please stop this video at this stage and go and watch that one. It will give you a great insight into how all the basic functionality works and how you can move around within the system. Again, how it is real time and fully integrated. As well, I would thoroughly recommend that you watch the CRM and marketing. These two modules feed into our sales module. In particular, when I'm talking about that, I'm talking about how a marketing contact, which is in effect a phone number, becomes a prospect. A prospect then becomes a customer. So the idea behind your CRM and marketing is this leads into your sales area. Now, part of that is we use what we call leads. Leads are a way of tracking everything that it takes to turn a marketing contact or a phone number into a prospect and a customer. So as you can see here, the number of follow-ups I've had to do, appointments, quotes when they went out compared to the initial contact, sales orders, invoices, all those sorts of things. You'll notice that I've now got a complete record of what the salesman had to do to get it into a customer or to turn this marketing contact into a paying customer. So there you can see. In addition, this also creates ratios, so you can see what number of marketing contacts it takes to convert one of those marketing contacts into a customer, and you get pipelines, so you can look in a glance based on the number of quotes and what the odds are of the salesman getting the quote, the money you should have coming in the door. Again, this is a great way of tying the two together, that when you use leads, it gives you some sort of ratios of conversions, how well the salesmen are working, and what should turn into income at the end of the day. So that's where all the videos tie together, and you can get the leads. Again, if I look at here, I can see sources with charts, graphs, all those sorts of things. They tie together beautifully. Alright, when we're looking at a customer, and I'll zoom back into one here, you get all the information to do with this customer. So all accounts, history, general, everything this customer has ever done with you is here on this one screen. I can drill back to any one of those to the original transaction that makes it up. So these are my invoices, my quotes. Again, simply double click, I can go back to there. Any repair work I've done, sales orders, work orders. Every product the customer has ever bought is right here on this one screen. Are they profitable? All those sorts of things can be done directly from here. Any contacts, referrals, what sort of equipment, discounts they get. All of this information is stored here. Every document, the whole lot. From here as well, I can produce any number of options that I want, from statements to accounts receivable reports. All those sorts of things are easily accessible from that customer card, like so. Alright, but if we jump back out. To make life even simpler, when you're looking at either your quote, sales order, invoice, or even your point of sale, any of these, again, will feed directly back into the system the moment you do it. So the moment I've clicked OK, everything now is updated, so it's fully integrated right back to your pipelines, marketing contacts, the lot. So let's go do a quote, and again, very simple to do. We'll drop in a monitor here and sell 2 of those. I can set follow-up dates, or when do I want to get back to this client, and I hit save, and as simple as that, I've done my quote. There's my reminder, I need to follow up on them by tomorrow. This quote I can then convert into anything from here, so I can turn it into an order, invoice. I can even order my goods to complete the quote. So the client might say, yep, I wish to go ahead with that. As part of converting this into a work order, it will produce a purchase order for you and link the quote customer to that purchase order. So you know when the goods turn up, who the goods are for, because it's listed on the purchase order. Couldn't be easier. Alright, let's save out of that. From here we can create any number of sales orders. Sales orders, with a push of a button, become invoices when you're ready to convert them over. Again, very, very simple stuff, really easy to do. So, jump back out. So with everything from point of sale to quotes, sales orders, refunds, cash sales, the lot, everything is there. Probably more importantly too, you can see your profitability of your sales. You can see, are we making money of these customers? And you can see in a glance, are your salespeople doing what they're supposed to be doing to produce those sales in the first place? So there you go. There's a very, very brief overview. I've only touched on a couple of features here within the ERP software suite. Give the guys and girls a call down at ERP. They'd be more than happy to come on site and give you a much more detailed presentation to suit your business. Thanks for watching.